I-ready nyo na po ang mga katanungan nyo to the members of the media and to our KOLs. No, but before anything else, I'd like to get my questions off as well. No, looking forward ako sa araw na to. So simulan na natin with Love Yauko. This is a question for her. Anong unang reaction mo nung marinig mo na Project Loki, yung next project mo?
Siyempre first po, I was very excited. Tapos, after nun, na-feel ko na po yung pressure kasi after po nung nalaman ko na Project Loki, nalaman ko na rin po yung mga magiging co-workers ko, sila Jada. So, it was more exciting for me. Tapos, yun, overall, it was such an amazing experience for me to be part of this project.
All right, thank you. That was Love Yauko. Okay, second question goes to Michael Keith. How do you describe Project Loki in one word or one line, to the best of your ability, MK?
Oh man, thriller. I'll never say thriller, no. Ang dami na mangyayari dito sa sa series po nito. And sobrang excited din po ako kasi growing up I watch a lot of crime mystery shows and syempre mga like teenage shows na ganito. So I'm super excited to be a part of this and sana mabigyan ko po justice. Kami lahat, we can give justice to all the characters that you guys have read and grown to love them.
Lovely, no doubt about that. Next up is Ashley Diaz. We have this question. Anong feeling na part ka ng something this big and knowing na malaki ang fanbase ng original story? It must feel so flattering.
At first, I was really excited, and at the same time, I was really pressured because I researched agad, and then I'm currently reading the piece, and I understand why it has such a big fan base. It's such a brilliant piece. Thank you so much for this. So ayun, it was really more of pressure also, and also with my coworkers. Then I'm so excited to work with them. So ayun, thank you so much.
Thank you for that. Next up, for Ivan Lim, how do you, or should I say, what do you look forward to the most sa mga katrabaho mo dito sa series?
Well, I'm really excited to work with them all, especially with Terence and they're all great actors and yeah, I'm just really excited to work with them.
Thank you so much. Next up is Joanna Lara. What's the one thing you admire about your co-stars?
Co-stars? Actually, some of them po, it was my first time meeting them. So, I was starstruck by them. Tapos, very flattered also to have to be able to work with them because this is my first time, biggest project po in the acting industry. So, it was kind of, I feel a little bit pressured working with them, but since knowing them, very very approachable, very easy to work with. Kaya ayun, along the way, nag-enjoy din naman po.
Thank you. Up next, it's Kurt De Los Reyes. How is it working with Derek Sian for the first time?
First time ko po maka-work si Derek Sian and ano po kami, yung sa audition pa lang po, minimake sure niya po na comfortable po kami sa kanya and wala po kaming dapat ikatakot. And nung sa nag-look test na po kami, ayun po, ginaguide niya po kami and he makes sure po na we feel comfortable po with them and to all the production po. And excited po ako sa future na mga mag-taping, ganyan po.
Sweet. Maalaga talaga si Derek Sian. Love to hear that. Now the man of the hour, Mr. Dylan Menor. Hi, Dylan.
Hello, brother.
Hi, brother. Can you tell us a bit about your character at kung paano mo siya nare-relate sa totoong buhay mo?
Oh, okay, wow. Character. So, Luis Kingsley Mendez, or also known as Loki Mendez. Well, he's such a complex character. He's very deep. First of all, very mysterious, nonchalant. He's very calm lang, tahimik lang. Pero at the same time, he's also very intelligent, especially when it comes to doing investigations. At madaming investigations ang gagawin natin for this project, Loki. And yeah, he's very intelligent, he's smart, and especially when it comes to deductions. Diba? So, in terms naman, pagdating sa, if I would compare it to my personality, medyo malayo sometimes pag lumalabas yung extroverted side ko. Pero, when it comes to my introverted side, so I think I'm an ambivert, lumalabas din naman yung pagiging nonchalant ko, pagiging mysterious. Kasi I feel like some of us naman siguro, we sometimes feel na we want to be alone, or we want peace, we want quiet. So, yun siguro yung mga konting similarities namin. And yun yung pwede kong paghugutan sa character ko para mas mabigyan ko ng justice and ma-portray ko na maayos si Loki Mendez. And it's, mention ko lang yung syempre yung seducing Trip Palma. So very thankful ako sa Viva for giving me this opportunity and sa Signal, sa TV5. So very different si Trip Palma kay Loki Mendez. So grabe yung contrast. And it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a good challenge for me, especially pagdating sa acting. So yeah, I'm very thankful kay Direk sa guidance. Thank you sa mga workshops natin, lahat ng advices mo. And of course, kay Sir Rain, ako si Ibarra. Palakpakan naman po sa story na napakaganda. And ayun, so yan yung contrast ng character and personality ko. Yun.
Thank you, Dylan. Incredibly well said and well put. Right next to him is Mr. Marco Gallo. Everybody, round of applause naman dyan. Marco, this next question is for you, buddy. Paano ka naghanda para sa role na to given na investigative mystery crime? Etong Project Loki.
Siguro alam niyo naman po na all we've been doing right now, it was the university series for the past, 3 years? No? 3-4 years, something like that. And then now this new Wattpad story has arrived, and honestly, it's something new. I've never played anything regarding mystery or crime, so it's exciting, you know. And I'm intrigued if I'm gonna be, you know, how do you explain this? Like, I'm excited to do it, but then I'm scared at the same time because it's something new, you know. And so you're like dipping your feet into new waters, and hopefully on set we're gonna be able to do it. Yep.
Thank you for that. Let's round of applause for Mr. Marco. Now for Jada. Hi, Jada. The screams are deafening. Dito sa Viva Cafe, thank you for that. We appreciate the love. Now for Jada, how did Direk Sian help you understand your character better?
Very, very nice question. Well, for starters, I'll say it once and I'll say it again. Napakaswerte po namin as a cast of Project Loki to have Sian Lim as a director, but also, you know, his background as an actor. Napaka-blessed po kami that we have somebody who really understands us and our process so well. And I just want to take this opportunity, Direk. Thank you so much for how generous you are and sa lahat ng effort mo ngayon pa lang to really make this project what it needs to be. I think dun pa lang sa mga conversations namin together, because when Direk and I talk, hindi lang siya from one actor to another, an actor to a director, but also as parang kapong creatives ko din. Kasi I would say na I'm versed as well in the creative field. I've dabbled in directing as well for music videos naman. But in this particular scenario, we're also talking about the soundtrack of this project. We've been collaborating on that, and ako din from the soundtrack and the music standpoint, gusto ko din talaga makuha yung insight niya in making songs that will fit his vision for this. So, ayun, I think through those conversations, mas lalo ko pang naintindihan si Dory. I think nung unang palang yung unang Zoom nating dalawa before I started writing songs for the soundtrack of this project, I asked you immediately, ano ba yung vision ni Lorelai sa eyes mo? And I think that was really helpful for me, not only just as an actor, but as a creative as well. So, yun, super big props. I think every workshop, every conversation I have with Direk Cian is so enriching for me.
Yes.